Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple responses to Instagram Story Android. First, open your Instagram app. Then go to your story where you added questions. Now swipe up to the answers to your question. Now tap on the answer that you want to share on your Instagram story. After that, tap on Share. After adjusting the answer, take a picture. Now tap on the three dots on the top right and select Save. Now go back to your story. Now swipe up and this time select the other answer. Now tap on Share again. Now go to your gallery and select the previous picture you saved. Now adjust the new answer as you want. Now just post it on your story. That's it. Now you have multiple responses on your story. Thank you for watching and please leave a like, share and subscribe.